Can you share a moment when you lost the most clients, the kind of setback that made you question if you should keep going?
Yeah, it was September. That's when I saw that my churn rate was huge, huge. I was still working for a digital marketing agency. I was building my SaaS in the meantime. I didn't have time to support anyone. So all they had was the videos that I had put out. Because of the content, people were still joining. They were paying for it. Seeing like 50 people get in and then 30 leaving, 25 leaving. That's when you say, did I do the right thing? Should I not focus on this? Should I just be a 9 to 5? Should I just be a media buyer? But as you see other people doing it successfully, as you go into the community, you talk with more people, you build connections, you just learn how other ways that you can do better. It's like that. It's not like one thing that I would say is like never be in a comfort zone. Like always try to do something new. Like take risks. I would say if it wasn't for that, I wouldn't be where I am right now. I took a huge risk, and now I'm I would say I'm collecting the good things from that risk. It was
Right.
really, yeah. Like some nights I didn't sleep just thinking about, okay, what type of content I need to put out, what I'm going to do tomorrow.
So let's dig a
It
little bit
was tough.
deeper into that. What happened in that September? Like, why do you think that these 25, 30 people churn in that 1 month? What went wrong?
They didn't have any way to be supported, you know.
Uh-huh.
I also say that the offer is a strong offer. HighLevel has so many features that it's hard for you to not put a strong offer out, you know. When you talk about the features, when you talk about the things that it's capable of doing, so it's hard for you to not to create an offer that people will say, oh, I want to see this too. You know, like it's especially in Brazil, it's a CRM that has features that other CRMs do not have. So people will be always curious to see what this is, and they want to join, they want to see, they want to buy. And I had a lower price, so people didn't see like, I'm gonna get all of this for this. But then they join, they see, I know how to create my account, I know how to connect my calendars, but how do I build a funnel here? Like I have to do this from scratch. What's the way to do it? People are used to WordPress and say, oh, this builder is not as good, but it's a process. I still think that the builder is not as good, but there are ways for you to make it better. You can add CSS. You can make simple pages there too. You don't need to build like your portfolio on a high-level funnel. You use that for specific things that you want people to go through. So it's those explanations, that content, that support that made so many people leave and made me realize, okay, I need to be doing something else. On October, that's when I made the decision. So I need to stop working for the digital marketing agency. I need to focus on my SaaS. So I'm gonna do Zoom sessions every week. That was the turning point for me.
Zoom sessions it is, ladies and gentlemen, and pretty good videos and help docs. If you want to benefit from white label help docs, click the link in the description below. Check it out. We have tons and tons of white label videos that you can put into a membership site and give access to your clients so they can learn how to use your white label extensively.